Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Maria. I'm investing in stocks, cryptocurrency and some real estate. On this channel, I'm showing you my personal challenge and goal to get at least $1 million in 7 years or even less using different investing strategies. Today's video will be very interesting and funny, and I hope you will get some useful information too. I used to love cartoons about Scrooge McDuck since my childhood. If you also remember those cartoons, hit that like button.
Money must keep moving to fulfill its obligation.
To be honest, when I was a little girl, I was just laughing at this hero. But now I understand him quite well. And I love his idea of increasing wealth. Actually, I'm doing these same things now as an investor. One day, my 10 years old son gave me an idea. He told me, imagine how would Scrooge McDuck invest? And it seemed so funny to me that I decided to make a whole video about it. So let's pretend that Scrooge McDuck becomes an investor today. Firstly, we have to understand this character and his purpose of investing. What do we know about him? Scrooge McDuck is the richest duck in the world, having gained his massive wealth from hard work and being taughter than tortoise and smarter than smarties, and making it square. On the course of his many adventures in finding treasure and through mining and other businesses, he is a traveler by nature, journeying all over the world in search of treasure and ways of expanding his many businesses. Also, we know that he made his first $1 million while discovering a massive golden nugget in Yukon. And he is always saying that proper budgeting should leave a profit. According to Scrooge, investing the profit was how he obtained his wealth. That's interesting. Now we know for sure that he loves gold and investments. He also doesn't like to risk his money, so he would hardly buy cryptocurrency, I guess. Based on this little research, I think that he might invest into the following stocks. Number 1, Goldman Sachs Physical Gold ETF, ticker symbol AAAU. The investment seeks to provide investors with an opportunity to invest in gold through shares and have the gold securely stored by the custodian sponsor. And do you know what? I think that's quite a good investment. On this chart, you can see, for example, $10,000 invested in AAAU since 2018. So, since 2018 till now, your 10,000 would be more than 14,000. Not $1 million in 10 years, of course, but easy and quite safe. Scrooge McDuck would definitely love it. The investment number 2 is Silver ETF. Why not to add a little silver to McDuck's basket? Silver tends to be favored by investors seeking a hedge against inflation. I would choose SIVR. The investment seeks to track the price of physical silver bullion. The shares are intended to constitute a simple and cost-effective means of making an investment similar to an investment in silver. Should we add some risk to our basket? Just a little. Let's add some individual stocks. I've already chosen 3, which Scrooge McDuck would definitely love. I think for Scrooge, gold is never enough, so firstly some gold mining company, Barrick Gold Corporation, ticker symbol GOLD. The price per share is quite affordable now. Let's see the chart during the last 5 years. Everything okay here. And also, this company pays some dividends, 1.61% annually, which is a quite nice bonus. Barrick Gold Corporation engaged in the exploration, mine development, production and sale of gold and copper properties. Well, we love gold, so that's exactly what we need. But for some diversification, I would choose 2 more companies that are not related to gold or mining. Real estate? Sure. Every long-term investor loves REITs. REIT is a real estate investment trust. It's a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estate. REITs allow individual investors to make money on real estate without having to own or manage physical properties. I'm choosing Public Storage, ticker symbol PSA. Public Storage is a REIT that owns and operates self-storage facilities, offering spaces for lease for personal and business purposes. Also, look at these nice dividends, $8 per share annually. That's awesome. In fact, PSA is the world's largest owner of self-storage facilities. According to the company's financial statements, It has equity interests in more than 2,500 self-storage facilities in more than 30 states in the US. And the one more company I think our Scrooge McDuck would invest in something from financial sector, and I choose for him Visa. Visa Incorporation, ticker symbol V. Visa is the largest global electronic payment solutions company in the world, which provides a wide range of products and services to support the credit, debit, and related card solutions for institutions in over 200 countries. The company generates revenue by charging fees on transactions and payments volume. And with the recent news, Visa seems even more attractive. So I think Uncle Scrooge would be happy with his investments. What stock would you add to his portfolio? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you want to know more about the diversification in stocks, monthly paying dividend stocks, or highest paying dividend stocks, you can check out my playlist, which is called Investing in Stocks. Also, don't forget to join me in my $1 million journey. Take care, stay safe, bye!